I got a bead spinner. Used for quickly stringing beads onto a thread or wire. It comes with plastic change trays. Pour a small number of beads into it. Thread the beading thread. Start spinning. String the beads until you have strung enough beads. Put a smile bead. Create a ring of about 6.0 centimeters in total length. Time to knot. Tie a knot. Tie a double knot. Make sure the knot is tight and secure. Trim excess thread. Adjust to hide the knot. Your simple and stylish DIY beaded ring is now complete. Now for bracelets. Put a smile bead. Tie a knot. Tie a double knot. Trim excess thread. Adjust to hide its knot. Your beaded jewelry piece is now ready to wear. Enjoy your crafts.